Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing this synthetic honey blonde 613 wig for y'all.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot?
The wig is from this company right here. I have reviewed many of their wigs on my channel, and I can say all they synthetic wigs are always on point. Like, you can't even tell they're synthetic. Look at how it bounces and all the curls and stuff. The only con about this wig is the lace part, like the closure part. It's like one of them beauty supply cheap closures, and they got like the fake scalp on it. Like, you gotta put a lot of makeup on it. But I can say the part in the wig is good. Like, it can be work, it can have a little work done to it. But for a synthetic wig that's already parted for you, we can work with it. And if you haven't seen my last video of me reviewing this wig that I currently have on my head right now, that I'm gonna take off, it's sliding back and all the glue is in front of my head, go watch. And I don't know why I always try to do the middle part, but my head is shaped funny, and I end up looking like this potato head.
Now what you in a rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time.
So we just gonna
Tell me
slide
you
to the side.
really need to chill.
And there we
It's
go.
all an illusion. You get mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same old thing. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game.
It's a good grab and go. Like, you don't gotta do all of that gluing if you don't want to. You ain't gotta do all the way around your head. You can just do that little part with the lace on it. That's it. If you don't want to glue it, you don't have to glue it.
God help me, ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad? Why you
Also
wanna
said
play
this
so
wig will be good for beginners.
Why you wanna play so
People
bad?
who
Why
just
you
now
wanna
starting
play so
wearing wigs
bad?
and they want to learn how to like
Know it's real,
glue the lace down,
know it's you gotta get
that would be good for y'all.
too far to be. Cause you claim you see things when you on empty, but I see the same things before I go to sleep. God bless me.
But like I said, you don't have to glue it down, but me,
I think I'm insane.
because I know my wig
God
is
bless
sliding back when I go back.
God help me.
So it's gonna take a little bit.
I think I'm insane.
And let it dry.
so bad? Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so bad? I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface.
And now that the glue is right, I'm gonna take some Eben, however you say it, put it on top of the lace, and that's the glue I use. It's called Meltdown. I'm gonna put on top of the lace to make sure. Then, just like with any other wig, I'm gonna take my lace band and melt it.
Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Alright, y'all, so next I'm gonna use this Fit Me powder to put in my part. What I do, I just put some on my edge brush, like the back of it, and run it down my part, just like that. To make it match my skin.
How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
And if the powder is not doing it justice, which it wasn't, I added the Fit Me foundation.
Nobody do body like you do. You do.
I think I started something. I got what I wanted. Didn't I? Can't feel nothing. Superhuman, even when I'm fucking Viagra, popping every single record. Auto tuning, zero emotion, muted emotion, pitch corrected, computed emotion. I blame it on a model bra with a Hollywood smile. Stripper booty in a rack like wow. Brain like Berkeley, met her at Coachella. I went to see Chica, she went to CC trip. Perfect, I took a seat on the ice cold on. She handed me an ice blue bong, whatever. She said she wanna be a dentist really bad. She's in school paying for tuition, doing porn in the fab. At least you're working, but girl I can't feel my face. But I was smoking anyway. She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste a little taste of Novocaine, baby, baby, Novocaine, baby.
Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Love me now when I'm gone, love me none, love me none. of dishes, pacing in the kitchen, cocaine for breakfast. Yikes, bed full of women, flip on a tripod.